Hello again, welcome to European Autocraft Studios 944 Turbo project, but not so much today. We got in a little bit of trouble here because of all the parking that we are taking up at this building. Starting with these cars, let's give you a quick rundown on what we're doing. The 64 Mustang, got a V8, 4-speed, nice car, overheating, got a Rolls with power window problems, but what Rolls-Royce doesn't, right? A couple of other little things, might be doing a valve job later on, we don't know, it's smoking pretty bad. Got a Jaguar for a engine management system problem. G63, we've had in here many times, good customer. It's time for the high pressure fuel injection pumps are rattling like crazy. And the air conditioning, we did brakes, stuff like that, so that's not so bad. Little TR7 here, sat for a long time. We did some carburetor work, and now we got to do some electrical work. The 84 is mine. I bought that with a broken timing belt, but that's almost done, so we'll get that out of here. But look at all the parking spaces, but we don't get to use them. So we're not done yet. These cars here, BMW's mine. Had a little accident, so try not to look at that too much. Maserati, here for an estimate. Here for an estimate for a clutch, fuel leak. This car's been sitting for 2 years, so we're going to try to save this one. And just a little 124 Mercedes. That's been here for a list of things. Customer wants to keep it and fix it, so we'll be fixing that. But there's 3 more cars. 3 more cars that we have to find a spot for. So let's take a look at this. This is my car that I drive every day. This is the 928 that I want to restore in another video. Haven't gotten to it yet, obviously. We have this parking space, and maybe that parking space if they ever get rid of that car. And that's about it. That's all we get. So let's come inside and show you. We're rearranging a whole inside of the shop. We're trying to make room to pack more cars in and borrow some parking from Kurt's next door, amongst other places. You may have seen our 280 SE project that was outside. We had to get that inside. We're going to start, well, we already started quite a bit. We're going to continue taking that car apart and get it ready for the body shop. The chrome will go to the chrome shop. The engine will get rebuilt along with the transmission. It's up here now because I have to reassemble the brand new front end to put in and disassemble the rear. Once that comes out, we'll go through that, rebuild it, and it'll get painted and then put back in. Then when they paint the car, everything will be new. The only problem is once all that's back into a dirty car, they're probably going to have to take it out to clean around it and paint, but we'll see how that goes. We might end up doing that back here after the car's painted. See what happens there. I wanted to send the car without wheels so they could put it on a jack, but they don't want to do that. They want it to roll. That one's going to be trouble, but we'll figure it out. We always do. The buggy is now out from being buried. We have to do some suspension work on this. I have to take some pictures because I'm not an expert at buggies, but there is a guy, Dan, at Dan's Performance, that is. He's going to help me get the right parts I need to make this really cool. 930, 914, which I don't even want to talk about the 914, but that's over there. That'll be getting the engine put in possibly this week. I'm not going to show you that either, so don't ask, please. 911 Turbo with a really unique coolant leak. This is something I've never seen before. There's a coolant pipe under the car that goes up over the engine, around the suspension, and then to the right side where it's picked up by the water pump. There is a braided steel wire that goes down past the pipe. It's an all aluminum pipe. That thing, with the engine moving, vibrating and running, and torque moving, sawed through the aluminum pipe with the braided steel line. We don't have it apart completely yet. Once it comes apart where we can see it, we'll get a video of that, and we'll show you that next week. Right now, we're not doing much with the 944 because we have to get this place in shape and be able to squeeze more cars in. We also have a 3D camera running that's going to be featured on the Patreon, which is coming soon. The Patreon account will have multiple layers, but one of the really cool layers is going to be this 3D camera access. You'll be able to see everything that goes on all day in a time lapse. It's going to be a lot of fun. We enjoy doing that. We've done it in the past, and we have some footage from way back that we can show you when we set up this lift with my late friend Ricky with the wheelchair pushing the beams to help us get everything lined up. It was kind of fun. So that's the shop and that's the parking situation, but we're not done yet. Come on, see out back again. The little TR7 we think is going to go over here when we get that sorted out. We moved all the shelving racks over here. 2 are over here now, and 2 are behind the lift on that side. Amongst the mess and all that's getting cleared up and sorted. We're throwing away a lot of stuff, eBaying a lot of stuff, selling off a lot of stuff that we don't need. Some Rolls Royce seats and some other, that's the interior from the flood car, that SC. Trying to find the upholstery shop that's going to do that. We're taking bids. Hey, and then if any of you are interested in a I think it's a 49. I'm not really sure. It's a Chrysler flathead. It's out of a truck. So it's got the granny gear transmission. This is going up for sale. If nobody buys it, it's going to get scrapped. So if anybody wants it, I'll put it on a pallet. You can send a truck for it. Just throwing that out there. So, we're not done yet. Remember, we have 2 parking spaces. Now, we have the 991 that's coming in here. That'll be parked right on the side. The Land Rover's mine. I got to finish that. The Mercedes up front is mine. I have to finish that. That Crown Vic, I think we talked about all these cars before, but now we have to get rid of it. The Crown Vic was flooded up to the dashboard. That car's scrap, but we're waiting to get it towed out of here with permission from the insurance companies and everything else. And the Moke. Apparently those parts are made on the moon, so we can't get them. We got most. We're waiting for one more. Hopefully next week that car will go, and we'll get rid of some of these cars so they won't be sitting around for too long. Forgot about the MG and our amazing 944 Turbo project. Where is that one going to go? We don't have any plans yet at the body shop. Still waiting for the owner to give the okay and get a deposit into the body shop. So things are running a little thin on that car. But here we are. Cars everywhere, no parking. So we're in a little bit of trouble. Luckily, we have a good friend of ours, an investor friend of mine, that's going to try to buy us a building that we can rent from him. And we'll move all this in there, get some tire equipment, and have a nice place to work. Until then, this is what we're stuck with. Yeah, that's it. Lots of stuff. Too much stuff. So as time goes on, we're going to get back on the 944. We'll try to get the electrician in here now to wire us up so we can start using that wet blasting machine. He'll be here tonight to give me an estimate on everything and see if we can make that work, and we can start cleaning parts and restoring these parts while we're waiting for the car to go to the body shop. One thing after another, and the landlord here really mad at us for taking up all the parking. We're parked in fire lanes, we're parked on the grass. It's a mess. So I hope you watch the video to the end. We're gonna show you the 3D footage from that little camera. It's awesome. All time lapse. You get to see us do a little cleaning and working. And that camera will be running all day for the Patreon subscribers that want to see our day-to-day operations and time lapse. Should be pretty cool, amongst a lot of other good stuff coming. So unfortunately, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week, hopefully with some more 944 stuff and maybe an update on our situation here. So subscribe. We got a lot going on, and just stay with us. We appreciate it. Bye.